Okay, number 5 is an age problem. So we need to define our variables. So we'll say let A represent Alex. Alex is age. And we don't have to say now in this problem because we're not talking about the future, right? So we can just say let A represent Alex's age, and let, who's the other one? Frank. F represent Frank's age. Okay, so we need these before we use variables. We need to define them. Okay, now we're just going to read the sentences and translate it into a mathematical equation. So it says Alex is, so that's A equals 6 years older than Frank. F plus 6, right? Okay. The second one says the sum of their ages is 50. So A plus F equals 50. And there's our two equations. And it's set up pretty nicely to use substitution, right? So I could take this F plus 6 and substitute it in there for A. So I get F plus 6, which is the A, right? That's that, plus F equals 50. So 2F plus 6 equals 50. Subtract 6. 2F equals 44. And divide by 2. And we get F equals 22. And then we can substitute in, right? A equals F plus 6. A equals 22 plus 6. A equals 28, right? And then we would write the answer. Alex is 28. You could write years old. And Frank is 22 years old. And we box that as our answer.